Dinner is served. Actually, we're just gonna try this milk. This is that fresh, right out of the cow milk. So did you have to mix this up because there's cream in there? What do you do with
You
this?
just have to shake it.
Okay, shake it up.
You shake it up. It's your first time.
You wanted me to taste this, and we're getting ready to go to your favorite hamburger shop. So you said, I just want to taste.
Yeah, just a taste.
I don't want
because this.
I don't want to drink too much, right?
Because this is an actual food, so you're putting food with food, which is actually protein with protein. So that's not good.
How much do I have to shake up?
Just like that. That's good.
Okay. All right. Do the honors here. I hope I like this. I've never tried this, and this, because it's straight out of the cow, it's not been pasteurized
or homogenized
or anything, right?
Yeah.
Okay, stop.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
It's gonna.
So I probably shouldn't drink any more in this right now.
We'll see.
Okay. Cheers.
Cheers.
That's pretty good. That's really good. You know, I usually get skim milk, or even 2%. I used to drink 2% a lot, and then 1%, and usually skim milk, because I didn't think I really liked whole milk, because this is basically like whole milk, right?
This is the original whole milk.
All right, what else do you have here for me? Organic guru person.
Raw cheese.
Raw cheese.
Made from this raw milk.
It's Gouda, huh?
Yes.
Right there.
It is Gouda good.
And you got that? We got that from your
milk.
Favorite dairy person?
And milk.
That's good too.
It's great. Go ahead.
Is this butter?
No.
What is it?
It's not parquet either.
Huh?
It's not parquet either.
It's not parquet either.
It's raw sour cream.
This is sour cream. Okay, how do I put this on? And you made this.
It's on a cracker.
You made this from some milk, didn't you?
And cream.
Oh, from cream. Just from a quart of cream that you got?
Yes.
From a dairy?
Yes.
That's good. So you got a quart of cream, and then you make sour cream out of it, and what else did you make out of it? Butter.
Butter.
That's really tasty. It sort of has a nice, clean taste. It's not too soury. Almost kind of like butter, but it's really not. Oh.
Already have. Thanks, Mary. Pretty good.
It is good. So why should everybody have that kind of milk?
It's healthier. It's not gas. It has vitamin A, B, C, D, E, beta carotene. Got the fat, the full fat that you need for your hormone production, for cholesterol.
So you're willing to go out to a dairy to find this milk, because you're not going to find that in the store, are you?
Not here in Texas.
Nowhere, right?
No, in California you can.
In California, you can get this kind of milk that's not homogenized or
I'm thinking that's what I
pasteurized.
was told.
Okay, so it's like under organic milk,
No, it's just fresh milk.
just fresh,
Just
100%
fresh, raw milk.
raw milk.
Not pasteurized, not
Okay.
homogenized, and it is illegal to buy it in the stores in Texas. And actually, place like Wisconsin, which is the cheese state of the nation,
Mm-hmm.
the people cannot drink raw milk. It is against the law. They will put them in jail.
Really?
Yes. But they make all the cheese from the raw milk.
Mm-hmm.
So it's kind of like chicken or egg. Egg or chicken. Which came first?
So this is protein,
Heavy protein.
lots of protein, because you said that you could drink this as a meal if you wanted,
Yes.
right? Because you drank it for like a month. That's all you had was this type of milk.
Yes.
And how much would you drink at a time?
Well, we would.
Like 16 ounces, 32
would-
ounces?
We would shop every 2 weeks, and we would go to the dairy guy every 2 weeks, pick it up, and I just had planned, for a 2 week period to have a gallon a day.
You drink a whole gallon of this a day?
I
I'm
didn't-
gonna shut the door. Keep talking.
I didn't always drink a gallon, later, but at first I did. I drank no water, I drank no juice of any kind, no coffee, tea, I just drank this. For a month.
For 1 month.
For 1 month.
And what did that do to your body?
Well, it just changed it. I was healthier, my skin was pinker, my hair, skin, nails was really good.
Didn't you have
Stronger.
something that you noticed?
My sinuses were okay for 6 months after I drank it.
Okay. And you said because you used to take cayenne
Yes.
for your sinus?
Yes.
And you didn't have to do that after you started drinking this,
Yeah, for 6 months.
right? Now there's no label on here, but trust me, that is from the dairy that we just showed you, right?
Right.
Okay, so where are we going now? We're going to your favorite
Hamburger joint.
hamburger joint, and what is so special about this hamburger joint?
It's all grass-fed meat. They start on grass, they finish on grass. There's no hormones, antibiotics, chemicals of any kind on the grass or inside the cows. It's just all fresh, natural, healthy. When you eat a hamburger and you don't feel stuffy or you don't feel tired or fatigued, like if you go to, say, McDonald's or Whataburgers, and you just feel like you've had some nourishment, like your body's been fueled.
So these are organic through and through.
Yeah.
And you can't find too many places like that around, can you?
Well, there's more in Dallas, but since I found this place, this is the only place I eat out. No other place.
No other place?
And if I do, on occasion with family, I will take charcoal tablets, so I won't get any kind of food poisoning.
So you'll have charcoal tablets
And then I have
and some
whatever-
water,
yeah.
and you drink that first before you
Yeah.
go to a restaurant?
Yes.
Okay.
And then I eat whatever it is, and then I don't come up with food poisoning or salmonella or E.
Okay.
coli or whatever is out there.
All right. So
Because our food source, even at the restaurant, even at the end stage of a restaurant, is actually poison. It's got parasites and all kinds of stuff on it.
so it sounds like you eat pretty healthy.
I try to.
Yeah.
I try to.
One hamburger joint.
That's it.
Okay. Are you ready to go?
Yes. Yes.
I want to go. We're going to take you along if you want to keep watching. All right. Thank you.
You're welcome. You're gonna edit some of that out, aren't you? Yes, you will.
I don't know.
Yes, you will. I will. Your mother said be good. And I'm going to call her and tell her that you were not good. You were not doing good.
Hey, don't eat any more of that, okay?
I'm going to have a little bit of this.
We're going to be going now because I want to be hungry for this hamburger.
Well,
You keep talking about this hamburger.
If I eat this, if I eat this, this will not make you less hungry.
That's true.
Okay?
All right.
Mmm.
Hey, can you read that to me again? 1 quart of fresh milk with nothing in it that we just had. What is it equal
1
to?
quart is equal to 3/4 of a pound of beefsteak, 2 pints of oysters, 8 eggs, 2 pounds of chicken, 3/5 of a pound of pork chops, or 3 pounds of fresh cod fish. Of each of those, it's not
Wow.
all of that, but a quart is worth 3.
And you got that, you found all that information on the internet, right?
The internet, yes.
That's for this milk. There's no
Yes.
label on it, by the way, because it was from that dairy and he just chose not to put any labels on there.
Today we
Yeah,
didn't.
okay.
Yeah, but that's
All right,
milk equals.
that's pretty amazing.
And that's why you should not drink a quart of milk and have your beefsteak and wonder why your hips are getting broader.
Yep.
Because you've just had, 3/4 of a pound times 2.
Okay.
That's it.
Wow, thank you. Milk.
Milk.
Get some.
Like somebody. What is that?